Welcome to another video. Take a container, suspend it together, take another container, attach them together, then put glue all over and then keep attaching ropes inside that. Then bend the upper parts towards the inner part so that it looks like a lamp, and then keep suspending and inserting ropes inside and beyond that container. Eliminate the leftover part with a plier and then decorate it. Take 4 to 5 cylindrical tubes, and then one should be lesser or shorter than the other. Attach all of them together, cover all of them with ropes, and your pen stand is ready. Take glass container, cover it accordingly. Just repeat the same process. These safety hacks or home decor kind of hacks can be very beneficial for the crafts people to do in their free time. It is just like best out of waste. Take a container, repeat the same process of covering it with sticks and ropes just like that. You should be very careful in winding the ropes so that the texture comes out like this. Then similarly bend it and then repeat the same process of inserting, then decorate it and put a ribbon. Take a black cardboard and then cover that cardboard with the help of rope. Cover the middle part as well. Then make a hole in between and then cover it accordingly with the help of rope as your wish. Then decorate it as a wall hanging. Take a white colored cup container, it should be disposable. Make it look like a flower and then suspend it, inserting it with rope so that it look beautiful and then becomes a flower vase. Thank you for watching.